Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I've got a new budget category product to show you all. A lot of you guys have asked me to make a video on a budget-friendly RGB gaming keyboard and I just had to do that. So the keyboard we'll be reviewing today is Redragon's Karura to RGB gaming keyboard. The thing is, we do get a lot of gaming keyboards around 1000 rupees, but none of them offer real RGB lighting. They only have static LED lighting on off. But this one over here has real RGB lighting, and each of the keys can go in 7 different colors. It's got a lot of RGB lighting effects, has 25 key rollover, 12 multimedia keys, Windows key lock feature, and comes with a gold plated USB connector. Over here it says that this keyboard offers high speed, high control, and also high response. Going to the back side, we've got a picture of the keyboard and some of its features on the right. They're basically the same things which I told you just now. That's it guys, there's nothing much written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. There we go. Let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. So on opening the box, we've got this keyboard nicely packed like this in between the spongy foam. Let me just take it out of this cover and show you. So here it is, our brand new budget gaming keyboard from Redragon. And along with that, we also got some paperwork below the product. That's it, looks like there's nothing else in the box. You just get the keyboard and a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. Okay, let me keep it aside and finally check out the keyboard. So this is how Redragon's new Karura to RGB gaming keyboard looks like. Wow, not bad. Looks pretty good from my first impressions. As soon as you pick it up, you can see that it's quite slim and also very lightweight. The body is entirely made of high quality plastic and has a nice matte finishing all over the front. We've got a RGB backlit illuminated Redragon logo here and a red stripe above that which separates the keyboard from the palm rest. Unlike the rest of other keyboards, this one has an island style chiclet keys design to offer you higher durability, comfort, and also responsiveness. I like the design, it's a full-sized wired chiclet type quiet gaming keyboard. And talking about the cable, the keyboard comes with a high-quality 1.8 meter braided red and black cable with a gold-plated USB connector at the end. And yes, one more thing I forgot to mention, this keyboard is also splash-proof. Not completely water-resistant, but even if by mistake some liquid spills over it, nothing's going to happen to it. So that was about the front part. Going to the back, this is how it looks like. It's entirely made of plastic, has some rubber foot pads on all the corners, angle adjustment clips at the top, and has some product info at the center. That's it, that was our first look and complete overview on the keyboard. So before I connect it to my PC and see how it performs, let me first show you how the keys on it sound like. It's a usual membrane keyboard, right? So the keys on it are much silent compared to the mechanical ones. Alright then, let me connect it to my PC and be right back to continue the video. Okay guys, I'm back and this is how the Redragon Karura to RGB looks like. It's a full-sized 104 keys RGB gaming keyboard and is compatible with both Windows as well as Mac systems. As I've told you earlier, the Karura 2 offers full RGB lighting with a variety of on-board lighting effects and modes. All these lighting effects can be easily controlled using the function key. So let me just quickly give you a demo of all the available RGB lighting effects on the keyboard. It offers a total of up to 6 different modes which can be easily controlled using the function and these set of keys. So right now it's in the first mode called as RGB color cycle. In this mode, all the keys including the Redragon logo cycles through 7 different colors one after the other. The second mode is called as static color mode. Here you can set the entire keyboard to one particular color, say either red, blue, green or anything you want. So that was about the second mode. The third one is called the static RGB color mode, where all the keys are randomly set to some different colors and remain static like that. The fourth one is called the RGB disco mode. The fifth one toggles the breathing mode. By enabling this, the lights fade in and fade out. And the final one is the LED lighting on off. You can even turn off the lighting if you want to. So those are all the different lighting effects. Now by using these arrow keys, you can adjust both the brightness as well as the speed of the lighting effect. By pressing the function plus up or down arrow key, you can adjust the brightness. And by pressing the function plus left or right arrow keys, you can adjust the speed of the lighting effect. Just like this. The RGB lighting on it is pretty good, offers different lighting effects and is easily customizable. But the only thing I felt was the LED brightness was a bit less and the RGB lighting on it was a bit hard to see during bright daylight conditions. But apart from that, during low light I had no sort of problems. The keyboard was looking very nice with RGB lighting. Well, that was about the lighting. Now let me share you my experience using the keyboard. First, let me tell you about the comfort. The Redragon Karura 2 offers great comfort while using it. What I really liked was it comes with an integrated palm rest for the keyboard. Usually budget keyboards do not come with palm rests, so this one definitely offers a much more comfortable experience while using it. I even played a lot of games using the keyboard for long hours and faced no sort of issues. Talking about the keycaps, they had a simple flat style keycaps, but instead of this, I felt if it had a slightly curved keycaps, that would have offered a much better grip as less feel. And also I have to mention that they are laser engraved keycaps, so the lighting uniformly shines through them and lets you easily identify the keys even during night time. Talking about the quality of the keys, they're pretty good and offer a tactile feedback. The addition of anti-ghosting and 25 key rollover also greatly benefits while playing games like PUBG or Fortnite. On the overall, I was quite satisfied with this keyboard's performance for that price tag. Well, that was my review on Redragon's Karura 2 RGB. It's a very good budget RGB gaming keyboard. The build quality is nice, offers a lot of RGB lighting effects, it's also comfortable and great for gaming on a budget. The only thing I felt was the brightness of the RGB LEDs should have been slightly higher. Rest everything else was great. It costs around 13.99 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.